I'm going to stand the computer up and start plugging in some cables up at the front and at the back. Okay, so I have routed all of the cables for the AIO to the back. There's a lighting and fan controller that comes with it, so I'm going to get everything plugged into this while I'm here so I don't get confused later when I have all of these cables in here. I suspect some of these I'm going to end up removing because I'm going to change the fans. So, okay, one of these is for the power. I think it's this one. And this came from the pump head, and I believe it goes into here. I'm gonna make sure I line it up. Should go in like that.